We can see microfiber cloths everywhere in daily life. A wide variety of microfiber cloths make our life more colorful and convenient. So here comes the question, how is a microfiber cloth made? I will take you into the factory where microfiber cloths are made. The first step is beam warping. In this step, small rolls of yarn are sorted and spun into larger metal roll plates so that they can be placed into the big weaving machine for next production. Here we are in weaving workshop. There are 14 high-speed Germany-made warp knitting loom machines in the factory. Capacity is up to 650 tons per month. It's worth mentioning that the production capacity is the highest one among all weaving factories in China. Dyeing usually influences MOQ of the cloth products. Generally speaking, dyed fabric MOQ is about 500 kilograms per color, and irregular Pantone colors can be customized. After dehydration and drying, we will get colored fabric roll. Then the fabric will be ready for post-processing. The fabric will be cut by automatic cutting machine to different sizes. This is the workshop of sewing. Most of the workers are very experienced in sewing. Making sure the edges smooth is a goal that every worker pursues. Usually, handmade cloths are most suitable for a small quantity of different fabric style orders. We can also make the cloths with overlock edge by this automatic machine. 8 machines can produce about 6 million cloths per month. That can help us save labor cost, so that the offer of such cloth will be cheaper accordingly. We have the ability to undertake large orders with famous brands in the world. Now the cloths are close to the finished products. Before packing, there is an important self-inspection step to sort out defective products. After packing, QC team will make sampling inspection for double check. Finally, the goods are ready to load. Quality is representing the reputation and image of an enterprise. This is also a commitment to customers. The above is the whole process of microfiber cloth generation. We welcome your inquiries. Truthful, choose quality assurance.